Proton Holdings Berhad is one of Malaysia's leading automotive manufacturers and was established in 1983. As the country's first national car company, the organization was created to support the development of Malaysia's industrial sector and reduce dependence on imported vehicles. Its first models, the Proton Saga, was introduced in 1985 and quickly became an important symbol of the nation's automotive industry. Over the years, Proton has expanded its product range and strengthened its manufacturing and research capabilities to remain competitive in both domestic and international markets. After that, a major milestone in the company's development occurred in 2017 when Zhejiang Geely Holding Group acquired a strategic stake in Proton through its partnership with DRB Highcom, and this collaboration has enabled the company to improve vehicle quality, adopt advanced technologies, and expand into new international markets. Today, Proton has continued to invest in innovation, digital transformation, and sustainable mobility solutions, including the development of next-generation automotive technologies. In today's digital business environment, knowledge sharing tools play a significant role in helping organizations improve communication and collaboration among employees. These tools include enterprise collaboration platform, internal knowledge databases, and virtual meeting applications that allow information to be exchanged quickly regardless of location. For Proton, effective knowledge sharing support cooperative across various departments such as engineering, manufacturing, product development, and marketing. By making information and technical expertise easily accessible, employees can solve problems more efficiently, avoid repeating previous mistakes, and make better informed decisions. In addition, digital knowledge sharing encourages continuous learning and innovations, which are essential for keeping pace with rapid technological changes in the automotive industry. And as Proton continues to collaborate with international partners and adapt advanced manufacturing technologies, efficient knowledge sharing has become increasingly important for transferring expertise, improving operational performance, and maintaining long-term competitiveness in the global automotive market. Missions and vision of Proton Holdings Berhad. Proton's vision is to become a leading global mobility solutions provider by producing innovative, reliable, and high-quality vehicles while strengthening its position as a respected global automotive brand. Proton's mission is to continuously create innovative processes, products, and services that win customers' trust and satisfaction while contributing to the growth of Malaysia's automotive industry. The company aims to deliver high-quality vehicles that meet international standards and provide value to customers.
Next, I will explain the knowledge sharing tool ecosystem in Proton Holdings Berhad. The KS tool ecosystem consists of several integrated tools, namely the SAP system, Dealer Management System or DMS, Proton for You, Microsoft Teams, and email. These tools work together to facilitate the flow of knowledge between employees. SAP system and DMS are used to store, manage, and share organizational information. Proton for You provides employees with access to company information, updates, and resources. Meanwhile, Microsoft Teams and email support communication, collaboration, file sharing, and knowledge exchange among employees. Through the integration of these tools, information can be shared more quickly and efficiently across departments, workshops, dealers, and management teams. As a result, employees can access the knowledge they need, improve coordination, reduce miscommunication, and support better decision-making within the organization. Now, I will pass to the next presenter.
So I will continue for the methodology that used in these studies. First, for the research design. These studies adopt a qualitative research approach. This approach was chosen because it allows us to gain a deeper understanding of how knowledge sharing tools are used in a real working environment. The studies focus on identifying and analyzing the knowledge sharing tools used in the organization and examine how this tool supports communication, information sharing, collaboration, and operational efficiency among employees. Moving on to the data collection method. The data was collected through a face-to-face semi-structured interview with Encik Muhammad Rizal Benjamin, who is the service manager at Proton. The interview was conducted on 9 May 2026 and lasts approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. During the session, note-taking and document reviews were also used to support the information gathered. Through the interview, several knowledge-sharing tools was identified, including document management system, Proton for You, SAP system, Microsoft Teams, and email. Lastly, for the data analysis method, the information collected from the interview was organized, reviewed, and analyzed using thematic analysis. The data was grouped into several key themes, such as the types of knowledge sharing tool used, their benefit to the organization, challenges faced by employees, and the overall effectiveness of these tools. The findings were then presented using the descriptive analysis to provide a clear understanding of how knowledge sharing tool is implemented with the organization. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Firstly, Proton uses the Dealer Management System or DMS to facilitate real-time information sharing between the headquarters HQ and its dealer. This system manages operational information such as spare part, warranty claims, financial record, maintenance services, and customer database. One of its key strengths and its ability to provide immediate access to updated information while maintaining data security through department-specific access control. According to Encik Muhammad Rizal Jamil, the system is utilized by various departments within the organisation, including the spare part department. Although each department is assigned specific access right, employees are able to access relevant information through the same platform, enabling knowledge to be shared efficiently across different functional areas. This integrated approach promotes better communication, transparency, and coordination among employees. From a practical perspective, DMS is highly effective because it reduces communication delays and enables faster coordination between departments. By providing a real-time access to organizational information, this system supports more accurate decision-making and improve overall operational efficiency within the Proton. The second knowledge sharing tool used by Proton is the SAP system, which functions as an integrated information and workflow management platform. According to the interview findings, SAP has been used by Proton since 2011 and serves as a central system for managing organizational information and employee workflow. Its strength lies in its ability to integrate multiple functions into a single platform while supporting a long-term data storage and retrieval. This indicates that SAP plays an important role in preserving organizational knowledge and ensuring information consistency across departments. Therefore, the system can be considered highly effective in improving operational efficiency, coordination, and knowledge management within the organization. The third knowledge sharing tools that used by Proton is Proton for You, which calls as an internal platform that provides employees with access to customer-related information across Malaysia. The system enables employees to retrieve information, conduct customer research, and support service-related decision-making. Its main advantage is the accessibility of information, which allows employees to obtain a relevant data whenever they require. However, the finding also revealed that the system requires a certain level of technical knowledge and experience to operate effectively. As a result, while Proton for You is effective in supporting information, retrieval, and decision-making, its overall effectiveness depends on employee competency and familiarity with the system. Another important knowledge sharing tool used by Proton is Microsoft Teams. The platform supports meetings, discussion, file sharing, and collaboration among employees which are located in different regions of Malaysia. Its ability to facilitate communication without geographical limitation is one of its greatest strengths. For example, service managers from different locations can communicate and exchange knowledge without the need for physical meetings. This demonstrates that Microsoft Teams is highly effective in improving collaboration, reducing communication barriers, and enhancing the speed of information sharing across the organization. Lastly, email remains one of the most important tools for formal communication within Proton. It is commonly used to distribute official information, instructions, and documents between departments while also maintaining a proper records for future reference. The strength of email lies in its professionalism and ability to provide documented evidence of communication. However, delays in response time and excessive email volume may sometimes affect communication efficiency. Despite this limitation, email remains effective for formal knowledge sharing and organizational record keeping, particularly when accuracy and documentation are required.
Next, I would like to present the problem and recommendation for the DMS system. The first problem is the lack of employee training for the new system. As we knew, Proton only recently implemented the DMS in early 2026. Therefore, many employees are still adapting to the new system and its function. According to the Proton service manager that we have interviewed, only a small number of employees attended official training session and workshop, while the remaining staff mainly rely on knowledge sharing from their colleagues. This situation may lead to inconsistency in understanding and using the system because information shared informally may not cover all features and function completely. Furthermore, the new DMS is more advanced and different from the previous system, making it more difficult for employees to fully utilize it. To address this issue, Proton should provide more comprehensive and continuous training programs for all employees who use the DMS. The company should ensure that every employee has equal access to formal training session and workshop instead of limiting them to selected staff only. This recommendation can improve employee skill and competency and also increase the efficiency and productivity and boost their confidence in using the system. Indirectly, it will reduce error in using the DMS system. Based on our interview finding, the second problem is data sharing and standardization in the DMS system. Proton faces challenges because employees are unable to access data across branches in Malaysia. According to the service manager, the previous system like Proton for You allowed access to historical data from other centers as well. Meanwhile, the current DMS only allows access to data from the current center and within a limited time period. This limitation creates difficulties for employees in comparing work performance, sharing knowledge and learning from practices implemented at other centers. In addition, some smaller centers do not regularly update meeting information on the platform and only communicate verbally, which indicates a lack of standardization in using the system. To overcome this issue, Proton should enhance the DMS by allowing control access to historical and cross-center data while standardizing system usage across all branches in Malaysia. This improvement will allow employees to compare their work, exchange knowledge, and learn from practices used in other branches and previous records. Furthermore, it can improve communication, encourage greater collaboration among employees, and enhance problem-solving efficiency.
In conclusion, knowledge sharing tools play an important role in improving communication, collaboration, and operational efficiency at Proton Holdings Berhad. The study found that systems such as Dealer Management System, SAP System, Proton for You, Microsoft Teams, and email supports employees in managing information, coordinating tasks, and sharing knowledge effectively across departments. These tools contribute to faster decision making, better service delivery, and improved organizational performance. However, challenges such as limited employee training on the new DMS and restricted access to cross-center data may reduce the effectiveness of knowledge sharing. Therefore, Proton should strengthen employee training programs and enhance data accessibility and standardization across branches. By addressing these challenges, the company can maximize the benefits of its knowledge sharing system, improve collaboration, and maintain its competitiveness in the rapidly evolving automotive industry.